Hi folks, it's Jeff here. I hope you're all doing well. Jeff, the 30-minute trader. Tonight, well, afternoon, soon to be evening, we're going to go into a 5-day intensive trading camp, boot camp. But before then, we have Zoe. Hi Zoe, how are you doing? Well?
Hi.
Nice to see
I'm
you.
well, thank you.
That's good. And Mr. Damo down the bottom.
Yep.
Hi, good. Nice seeing you all. These two traders will be on with me later on, but put that aside for now. This is for the people at home and also for the people here. So I asked Zoe before we started which pair of all the pairs she wants to look at, and Zoe said
AUD USD.
AUD USD. Now, normally I do the 30-minute trader on the 1 minute time frame, but people have been asking me, Jeff, can we use it in other time frames? So I'm going to show it. Begin within the 5-minute time frame, and then I'll go back down to the 1 minute. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So what we're looking for here, can you see my chart here, Zoe?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is make this full size, so there's nothing else. If I can remove this out of the way over here. Okay. So at the moment, it's AUD USD. I'm on a 5-minute time frame, and I'm using FXCM. Just you can see that there. And what this software does, just focus on these yellow things for just now, okay, and nothing else. Yep, you can see these here.
Yeah.
These are what we call volume bursts in the market. Look at that one there, right there. It just went to the moon. And that one dropped like a stone. That one there, all the way, all the way. Look at that. Little one there, dropped. Yeah. Now, I don't know if other people are on, but I certainly hear talking. I hear kids, but never mind. But Zoe, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you fine, yeah.
That's fine. But I just want, can you see how that would work? Like, you see that big volume burst right there, and it just simply drops, and it just keeps on dropping and dropping and dropping. You missed that one. Well, that one went up, and it did go up, and that one went down, and it definitely went down. That one went down. That one went down. That one went up. That one went up. That one went down. That one went up. That one went up. That one went down. That one went down. So far of that, how close to 100% is that so far?
Yeah. That's quite phenomenal, actually.
And that's without the new update we've put on it. Was with the original one, we had 9 trading times a day with volume bursts. So what I've added, considerably more. Yeah, I think there's about another 8 or 9 times in the market. And this is on the 5-minute. You can do 5-minute, you can come up, but if you're happy with the 5-minute, just take advantage of it. And all I say to people, let's say it's even this one here, right? I'd actually look upon this in the 1 minute. In fact, I'll go down to the 1 minute just to show you. And I'll just go back to, I don't know, that one there. So that's on the Sunday the 30th. I'll go down to the 1 minute and I'll go to Sunday the 30th, just so you know we're talking about the same one. Sunday the 30th. Round about there. Am I an AUD? That wasn't there, was it? Where was it? Oh, it was that one there, Sunday the 30th. Yep. Now this here is set on New York time. So everybody in our mentoring program uses New York time. Doesn't matter if they're in Thailand like me, the UK, Canada, America, Australia, New Zealand, wherever in the world, everybody's charts are the same. So we can all help each other. Yep. Now, can you see there on a 1 minute time frame? Is that a winner?
Yeah.
Clear, it's simple, easy, and very effective. Now, there's options for your stop loss. One, you could do something like a massive 2-pip stop loss, which is 20 ticks. A massive 2-pip stop loss. Yeah, there's 1% right there.
Yeah.
3.75%. Now, just remind me from funded accounts, you did a couple.
Yeah.
Is it FTMO? Is it done or
Forex? My Forex, I did.
Okay. Now, with that, is it 8% and 5%? Is that right? 5%?
Yeah.
Yeah. So How many of them would it take to pass phase 1?
You need a couple.
Okay, that's right, yeah. Okay, and that's with one volume burst. Okay, this is an interesting one. Right, the way this works is you look at the market and you say to yourself, is this an uptrend or a downtrend? And them all, and you say, absolutely, it's an uptrend, so you're getting excited. The challenge we have here, when there's nothing left, when we have no targets, because we look for targets,
Yeah.
that's when it becomes what I call danger zone. Yeah. So, but I'll just take it as it is. I'll do that there. We get that there. Yeah, and we'll put this the other side of there. Just, you know, that other side, you can either put it the other side of there, or you can put it at 2 pips. We'll do it at 2 pips, just to keep it the same. Okay, and I'll just do it like that. So my target would be this one here. That's the only target we have. Do you see that right there? So that's the only thing we have left. So if that reaches there, I'm a happy man. But that one is only 0.5%. But if you had half of that, if you had 0.5%, and if you had that, was it 3.5%? There's 4%. Yeah, we're only going for targets. There's nothing else here. But look at the size of the stop loss, though. What I tend to do is actually bring that just to the other side of that. And what you do is you just be careful of your spread. Just watch your spread, which is just typically up here. So that's more realistic. So we do nothing, we do nothing. Okay, we get this one here, and this one here. It turned around, and you see it coming down. So the software, the 30-minute trader software says, oh, something's happened there. It says, I believe that's going to be a sell because it's reached this high. This, what we call a stabilizer, is rejected off it once, it's rejected off it twice, it's rejected off it 3 times. And then it says, I think this is going to be a sell. And it drops like a stone. Okay, either enter there or enter there, put the stop loss above there. And what do you get? Boom, nearly 3%. So you know, you could potentially have that tighter, whatever it is. You can look at the stop loss and say, oh, make that 20, it's the same. But it's round about, let's call it 2.5. So there's 6.5% just by taking these. What analysis have I done? I've not really done much, have I? What do you think so far as the way?
I'm quite impressed, to be honest.
Okay, so then here's the thing. We then see this, and it looks like it's going up. It's going up. But this here comes down. So we have a decision to make. Do I take this or do I not? My, to be honest, answer would be I'd want for it to break through there.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's the interpretation. But up until then, we've just been taking them. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But if you were to get into one of these for any reason, and it goes the opposite way, I always say to people, immediately in the trade the opposite way. That you do that there, put that there, and your target is there. That there. It's another 0.5%. It goes up higher, but there you go. That's the advanced stuff, which forget about that one. I'm going to pull that one off. Yeah. This is advanced stuff. I'll go into this. You'll learn about this this is another time to trade. Yeah, I'm just going along. And that's so far since we've done that today, got 1% there, whenever that was, and that was done whenever, what was that one there? That was on, when was that? Was it Friday? I don't know when that was actually. Or Sunday evening, when the markets opened.
That was a decent one, Jeff.
That was a decent one. Now that's only taken out in the 1 minute. Now we're only exiting as soon as we can. We're not staying in the trade in any way because I want to be in and out in 30 minutes because I believe people have busy lives.
Smash and grab. Smash and grab, Mike.
Get your percentage and run. Yeah. Now look at this one here, Zoe. Does that one work?
Yeah.
Oh, this is an interesting one. That does actually work or not. It depends what you use to get in. That one certainly works. Again, with this one, it depends what you use to get in. So that one there could have been a loss. or it could have been a win. It depends, because there's the entry there. Could have been a loss, could have been a break even. I'll accept the loss for that one. That one would have been a win actually. Doesn't look much, but you actually learn about. There's people in our program. Again, it depends when you get in. It depends on the stop loss. Here's 0.5%. It's more than 0.5% actually. How many 0.5% do you need? How many days do you need to trade a 0.5% with my Forex funds to pass phase 1?
20.
Less than 8%, 0.5%, 16 days, and phase 2.
16. Yeah, 16
Yeah.
days. Sorry, 16.
Yeah, it's okay. Look at that one there, Zoe. Put that there above the yellow. You do this all day long. That's a good one. Can you get 0.5% out of that? Can you get 0.5% up there? The target now, and part of the course, like 1 point, you'll learn about these green boxes stuff. You will learn about green boxes I've switched off. Green boxes are potential reversal zones. Danger. Again, another nice, healthy win. It simply drops like a stone all day long. And I've taken every single one. I'm not trying to be fancy about choosing one over there. I've just taken every single one. Now this one could have been a loss because of that wick. I'm being completely honest. Does that make sense?
But like you said, not everything's going to be 100% anyway. You're going to get your losses as well, aren't you?
You've seen it only because of that wick. If that wick wasn't there, that would have been a healthy win. Yeah. And that's it. It's really simple. Works well in gold as well. Works well in gold as well.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll just stop there. So it took a lot of time of getting used to. So what we've done is we've taken the whole 10x method and I've diluted it. So I said, rather than getting all that stuff that's really important, I've diluted and diluted and diluted it. So what's the one ingredient that's true with everything? What's the one thing that's standard? And these volume bursts. And but I called them something else with the 10x. Okay. And it will all come apparent. And if you look at that nice software you've got, looking inputs, it's actually all inside there. Okay.
Right. Okay.
And there's one other thing. Well, there's all other stuff that you get you like that just add a little bit more meat to the bones. And we will be looking at the weekly stuff as well, but this is all about trading on the 1 minute or the 5 minute, which suits you. Whatever lower time frames. In and out, my aim is 30 minutes, close the computer, get on with your life.
Yeah.
And what I do is, if you knew in advance when these volume bursts were happening, what would that mean to your lifestyle?
Oh God, it'll change it. Completely change it.
And that's what we're bringing you to at 1 p.m. your time today.
Okay.
In the champagne bar even
session,
more.
that's what you get.
I can't wait now. I'm excited.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the very first session we bring up.
I can't wait. I'm gonna have a nosy now and have a.
Yeah. Well, this will be on this will be in the group as people have asked. But this was actually for you and for Demo. Thanks for coming on. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all later on.
Yeah.
Yes, mate. I'll be on later, mate.
Yeah. Thank you, Demo. Thank you, Zoe. And for everybody else watching at home, you've missed the trick because you had an opportunity to ask any question. Okay. Have a great day and
See you later, mate. Speak to you in a bit.
Cheers. Bye.